What are the final details that Larry Kudlow is referring to?
Well, and it's some of what you had just mentioned. Both China and the U.S. have preconditions for signing this deal, even this limited deal, this so-called Phase 1 deal. On China's side, it's that the U.S. roll back these tariffs that they've been living with for the past year or more, and they want to know just how the U.S. is going to do that and a timeline for doing that. That's a precondition. On the U.S. side, they want to know how China is going to what its plans are for buying up to $50 billion a year in U.S. agricultural and other goods. So both sides, it seems, want assurances that these things are going to happen. They want to know how they're going to happen before they'll ink even this limited deal. But as Larry Kudlow said, it looks like they're down to the final details.
Yeah, down to the short strokes, as he put it, which apparently a golfing reference. Right. So what other signals are we getting from both sides here then, Jodi, about how likely an agreement is?
Yeah, both sides are signaling that it's pretty likely. Both sides have every reason to want to do a deal at this point. The markets have been responding well to a deal, and both economies could use this deal. And they also are making signals that if they can do this deal, then maybe they can talk about some of the bigger issues on the table that they have not been able to deal with quite yet. So we're seeing the signals are good, and obviously Larry Kudlow coming out and saying this, is yet another signal. But they still have to get those assurances from each side, and as we've seen before, especially with President Trump, they've walked up to a deal, and then at the last minute he's walked away from it.